Place a small amount of Vapor Rub ointment on a spoon and gently heat it until it melts. Add a pinch of baking soda. Apply the finished mixture to your toenails and gently massage it in. This blend may help slow down the development of fungal infections. The combination has strong antiseptic properties, a simple homemade remedy. The best foot soak you can give your feet. It's my neighbor Dorothy's secret recipe. One very important ingredient is oregano, an underrated herb with cleansing, regenerating, and naturally antibacterial properties. Add a generous handful of oregano to a pot and pour in about 1 pint of water. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes, then strain. Pour about 1 cup of white vinegar into a bowl. In a separate bowl, add 5 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda softens the skin, refreshes it, soothes irritation, and helps remove calluses. Place your feet in the bowl and pour the warm oregano infusion over them. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda on top and let it work. The combination of oregano tea and baking soda acts like a natural spa treatment. It softens the skin, refreshes it, and helps clear the pores, leaving your feet smooth and comfortable. Keep your feet in the soak for about 20 minutes to end your day with a touch of home relaxation. Do these exercises using only your feet. I even do them in the bathtub. The first exercise is rotating both feet in one direction and then in the other, 18 times each way. The second exercise is done 36 times. Rub one heel against the other. The third exercise is also repeated 36 times by moving your feet forward and backward. Next, work only with your toes, sliding them forward and backward, again 36 times. Make sure to repeat each movement carefully. Then rub one foot against the other, also 36 times. After that, gently tap one foot against the other for the same number of repetitions. The last exercise is using the big toe of one foot to rub the area on the other foot, right under and next to the big toe. Each of these movements improves circulation, strengthens the small muscles in your feet, and releases tension that often makes walking uncomfortable. With regular practice, your foot joints become more flexible and the whole foot works more efficiently. It's a routine you can do literally anywhere, even while taking a bath. Recipe for homemade collagen cubes that smooth wrinkles. They improve the condition of joints and cartilage. Pour about 1 1/4 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Add a few tea bags. Tea contains antioxidants. Reduce the heat. Then add the juice of half a lemon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Remove the tea bags. Add 1/4 cup, about 1.8 ounces, of powdered gelatin to the pot. Gelatin is partially hydrolyzed collagen, and its composition stimulates collagen production in the body. Pour the mixture into a container and refrigerate until set. Eat 3 cubes a day to boost collagen production. Your skin will look healthy and firm, and knee pain will disappear.